Assalamu alaikum. So, sir, this is the I'm giving you the description about the project, the resume that we have made. So, first of all, I will tell you that what I have completed now. I have completed the following functions that the user can sign up and log in, and the next thing the user can create his resume, and then he can also see his generated document. So yet there are many things that are needed to be done as to make it a perfect website, but for now on I have completed the 85% of the project, and the rest of the 15% is left, and the technical part is completed, and the only thing that the project needs is to write a content for the chronological resume, functional resume, and combination resume. Just like that, you are seeing that this is a dummy type of a text, and it is not a correct description that what is a functional resume or a combinational or a chronological resume says. So um, I hope you will provide me these types of the contents, and then I will write this, put it there. And the second thing I need is the format that you want to be written for the chronological, functional, and combinational resume. So now let's move on and see that how the projects proceeds. So first of all, I will log in. So as I have registered, so I have registered my this email, and there is some password that resides there. So as now I am clicking on the login, so after checking it from the database, it is verifying me. So now I'm now going to create a resume. I can click on any of these images to move forward. So now I am moving to the chronological resume. Now I will like to tell you about this page. There is the information about the resume is shown, means that what this specific page describes. For example, that is the basic information about the user, that what is his name, his last name, the email, and the phone number, and the URL, and the submit button, in which he can click to submit his basic information only. So and now we can move forward and then check. So what is the writing the first name? I am, for example, I like the first name as UU, for example, and then F is the last name, and then I can write my email, that for example this is my email, and then I am writing my phone number. Information are failed, and for example my website is www.website.com. Then now I click on the submit button to submit this information. So now I have clicked on the submit button, and now my personal information is being submitted. Now he has asking me to write my educational levels informations, that what is my education, for example matriculation, inter, bachelor, master, or any HD. For example I'm writing bachelor. So now institute, for example I writing my institute, University of the Punjab, and now my information is completed, and the country is Pakistan, yes, and degree is computer science. So now my grades are 3.5, and now I'm setting the date, and now I will click on the next if I want to submit the next information. For example I clicking the next. Now the information has been submitted. So now I'm moving forward. So for example my master information, the University of the Punjab, University of the Punjab. Again, country is Pakistan, and degree again MSc. uh, and grades are, for example, my CGPA is 3.2 and starting date is January 2016, and then is April. So now these are the my informations that I have entered. Now I click on the next, and if I did not have any information, then I click on the discard, and now this my information has been submitted. So now I clicked, and these are my professional information, means if there is any internship or is there any country on which where I have done some job or an internship, so I will have to write. It may be there may be a possibility rise that if I did not have an internship or a company till now, so for this I have to add there another button, and this button assumes that if the user does not have any other thing sent, then does not do anything and generate the resume. So for now on we are assuming that I have a internship or any job, so let's write the information about this. For example, that's all, and company is Pakistan, city is Lahore, designation is the manager, and then the enrollment time is 01 January 2016, and then for example now I click on the submit. So the resume has been now finished, the information has been entered, and if I want to check the information, I have to move to the database to check that either the information that I have been entering is been saved or not. So let's move on and check from the database. Now I have checking from the database, and this is my I have logged into the database SQL Server 2014, and this is the database that I have made and the tables. So first of all, I would like to see from the dbo.personals where my personal information is being saved. So I am going to select 1000 rows, so it will be showing me the first 1000 rows. I hope, yes, this is the information as we have write f name and the last name and my phone number and my email, and this is my information. So the information has been saved to the database for the personal. Now move to the education and check either the information. Yes, I have seen that the resume ID is 1 has been for the generated, and the bachelor University of the Punjab, and this has been good, and next now, and degree type and everything is being fine there. So now I'm moving to the professional, and this is my experience. So yes, company NetSol manager and country city and resume ID, so everything is fine. Now let's move to the document to check either